Yes, hello and welcome to another vlog from Ben Rider. Today we are in Teltow, just south of Berlin, and I want to go to the Glienicke Bridge. That's the kind of ex-border, or well, it was a closed-up border between East and West, and where they exchanged the spies and stuff like that. We'll just go there quickly, have a look around, and go back. So that's what is going to happen today. Also, today is my last day with this bike, Z900, 35 kilowatts. I will return it today at around 3 o'clock. And so we just have a few more hours and we have to make good use of it, right? Let's go into the city, but again it will be the southern part of the city, so not much to see, just trees and green stuff. And yeah, this time I haven't really been, just passed through the inner city one time in one of my videos. You might have a look right here. And yeah, as I said, we're going now to the Glienicke Bridge, or Bridge Glienicke, or I don't know how to say that in English. And just capture the moment there. Oh. I have to have the visor open a little bit today. Again, very hot. Never been on this road here before. At least it's not cobblestone. At least something. GPS is showing me zigzag. I don't know. Really, I have no idea where I am. Oh, Kleinbach, no. Okay. And hopefully I will not encounter any cobblestone. Let's go to the bridge. Not to the beach this time. Let's go to the bridge. Let's go to the bridge. Oh, baby. Let's go to the bridge. Oh, I haven't been here in a long time. There used to be a checkpoint here, I think called Drei Linden, to the left. Yeah, there it is. It's not in use anymore, of course. But that was the West Berlin side, and a few kilometers down the road were the East German checkpoint. Interesting times back then. God, I haven't been here in a long time. Let's go through the woods and then we'll end up. Oh, you can actually go to the old checkpoint there, I think. Maybe when we get back we can head in there. Then a few more, I don't know, about 10 minutes, and then there was a border, Glienicke Bridge, and you couldn't go any further as West Berliner. Now you can. There's this is called Wannsee here actually. Yeah, they have a big railway station also for the national trains, and they stop here. All of these ICEs, they usually stop here. Last stop in Berlin. So. And there's a big lake there on the right hand side called Wannsee, as the name already suggests. What the hell is this truck doing? Jesus, chasing me or something. I think it is. McDonald's here, of course. All of this. Oh, it actually looks the old American style, like the first McDonald's ever opened. Let's have a look at the bridge. It's quite a long way. I don't remember it being that long. Quite a long way through the woods here to the bridge. We can check this out here and go to the right. It was raining quite a bit last night, so there's a lot of shit here on the road, as you can see. Hopefully no more puddles. And we're going in the direction of Fraueninsel. That's a little island in the Wannsee, actually, where you can go by ferry. And it's a nice island with lots of flowers and castles and stuff like that. And peacocks, they roam around there freely. So, okay, is this the end here already? This is a nice day out if you are in Berlin to go to the Fraueninsel. Yeah, in Berlin they still have a lot of forests, you know, so it's quite nice. Not just houses, especially of course in the southern part. Man, lots of tree trunks and branches fell off last night. You can actually go there by car there on this island as well, but I'm not sure if you're actually only as a resident or which way. I don't know. Man, that's dirty. Dirty road here. Nobody cleaned up the road. It's terrible. Yeah, they have lots of wild boar here, roaming around, scaring you sometimes. So when Berlin was still closed up, you know, West Berlin, that was really nice areas. We had really nice areas for relaxation, because I mean, you know, we couldn't really go outside of Berlin. I don't know where we are here. Can we go all the way to the Fraueninsel? I can smell the woods. I can smell the woods. I love it. We don't really have any woods in Spain. That really is so bad. Oh, this is really bad now, the road. Quite slippery, I suppose. Okay. We can still go further, I think. Down there is the bus stop, and then we have to turn back. Yep, there's a big yellow one. That's it. I cannot go any further. This is where the ferry starts, up there behind the bus. So let's go to the bridge. Okay, we found the exit again. Let's go to the bridge. Jesus, what the fuck? He's running from this car and coming into me. Jesus Christ. Oh, that was kind of a scare. Old Mr. with dog. So, there it is. I just go across it and then turn around somehow. Glienicke Bridge. Let's have a quick stop here maybe. We'll just go across it and then we'll turn back around. This was closed during while Germany was separated, and now it's open after the reunification. Now we're into Potsdam already, so let's turn around here. Over there is, I think it's called Schloss Babelsberg. Yeah, I think so. So, that was the Glienicke Bridge. Another crazy old man. Jesus, they're all crazy here. Crazy people. Now, let's go back to where I live down south now, only for this week. And get ready for returning the bike then.